Hello students, today we are going to study overtaking zones and intermediate sight distance. Now overtaking zones are provided when OSD, that is overtaking sight distance, cannot be provided throughout the length of the highway. So these are zones dedicated for overtaking operations marked with wide roads, and the desirable length of overtaking zone is 5 times of OSD and minimum is 3 times of OSD. It means that when it is impossible to provide overtaking sight distance throughout the length of the highway, then we have to provide the overtaking sight zone like this along a particular length of highway. Now in this zone, overtaking operation will be done only. The minimum length of overtaking zone will be equals to 3 times of overtaking sight distance, and the maximum length of overtaking zone will be equals to 5 times of overtaking sight distance. Now, the next is the intermediate sight distance, that is ISD. It is provided only when OSD cannot be provided. It is a substitute for OSD. It means that if it is impossible to provide the overtaking sight distance, then for the overtaking operation we need to provide a substitute sight distance which is known as intermediate sight distance, and it will be equals to 2 times of stopping sight distance generally. Now intermediate sight distance will always be greater than the stopping sight distance, but it will always be less than overtaking sight distance. Now as per Indian Road Congress, for stopping sight distance, the height of obstruction is at least 0.15 meter and height of driver eye is 1.2 meter. Now for overtaking sight distance or intermediate sight distance, the height of obstruction as well as the height of driver is equals to 1.2 meter. That is all about the overtaking zones and intermediate sight distance. Thank you very much, students.